We back, y'all. Round 3, T-Bird versus Big Ree. A13 battles. Make sure y'all leave your comments. This is the 3rd round. It's the knockout round, right? This is all the marbles right here. It's about to go down. Who's on? T-Bird is on you, homie. Whenever you're ready.
Alright. Look, you need a reservation, a better education, just a step to me and hurry up cause time is wasting. I'm pacing and plotting myself on every move. Your concentration is off, take your ass back to school cause I'm a veteran. Been doing this shit since you was a dude. Watching Winnie the Pooh, I was testing my skills, grading what I lack. Spent hours in the studio, lacing beats and tracks, brainstorming. You know I'm coming through, you slipped, you tripped, I'm coming to gun it through your crew, you gone. You better bring it on how you want it. I'ma stomp like gorillas when it's time for warfare on this microphone. I done it. Please, I'm young wanted. Rep like cash money. And it's still YG in these streets. Best believe 17th. And I'ma come through and leave a nigga sleep when it's time to rip. You already lights out. You know I'm on the block and I'm hollering get guap. A no stop, AK, best to him and I spray, best believe the DJ, bitch niggas out my way, I'ma do this every way, switch it up, tangling, bitch you know I'm in these streets and leave my nuts hangling, I'm living angling, nigga, why you niggas strangling, on these microphone, nigga, you really ain't hanging in, I be knocking you out like round 2, I float like a butterfly, you best already know the rhyme, I ain't hollering about that, I just laid it down and I'ma end it with that, cause that's about my time.
Big Ree, whenever you're ready, homie. Absolute quietness, give him that respect. So you, Ree.
He said when the blue is more like Blue's Clues, cause the nigga when I get through, he gon' need a clue. Ain't no word cause he hit a snipe bullet and I flew. Now his brain on the side, now what did he do? Tell the nigga you get murdered, bitch, bite it in the face. Fuck what you heard, nigga. Go ahead, let me get case and I'ma come through this bitch and your whole crew be sprayed. And murder this nigga in this thing, so you know how I play it. Fuck anything he's saying. Cause I ain't snitching, shotguns you hitting, now your bodies end up missing. I be in the house, jamming bitches, we be chillin'. We be in the chip, just rolling up some plenty. Millions of blunts going down, we burn it up. You be talking like you want till you see the fucking clutch. Now your brain on the side, pussy nigga should've ducked you out of luck. Your mainframe fucked up. Split you, chop a nigga anytime when I walk by. Understand I love to come through when chopper fly. If a nigga wanna get it, you can tell me why. The nigga put him on the side of the curb, never lie. Fuck you, heard this, niggas don't miss. You niggas be looking skirt shit. You scared than a bitch, nigga, you's a soft bitch. Always talking like you're hard, but don't move shit. And niggas wanna get it, niggas, so you hit out. Knock out round, pussy niggas, go ahead and get out. If you wanna talk to a nigga, it's no drought, no doubt. Best believe the chopper bullets coming out, Fuck what they talking about, this cross-fletch. Shoot a nigga in his head cause I don't miss. And I'm the type of nigga going like Swiss cheese. Put a couple holes in your nigga, now you fall to your knees. Tell a nigga in this game it's ruthless. Fuck nigga with a gun, it's ruthless. Shoot a nigga in his face, now he toothless. And I'm done with this nigga, so it's through.
Time, clap it up, clap it up. Give me information, Ree.
Let me get up.
I'm Big Ree, man. You can find me, Tricks in the better, you know, AWOL, you look at AWOL, you find me right now, giving shit straight. I be on MySpace, Facebook, you know what I'm saying, get at me. You know, T-Bird.
Cartel D2, at the MySpace, you can see, you know what I mean, get at me, squad.
Get at me. That's what it is. A13 battles. Much love to all that came out. Y'all make sure y'all leave y'all comments, man. We see y'all in the next battle.
Give me a picture.